Hey there, busy professionals. Today, I've got 5 super practical health hacks that'll keep you fit and energized, no matter how packed your schedule is. Let's dive right in. First up, prep your meals in bulk. Dedicate 1 or 2 hours on a weekend to batch cook healthy meals or snacks. Think overnight oats, grilled chicken with roasted veggies, or pre-chopped fruits and veggies. Store them in portion containers, so you've always got nutritious options ready to grab and go. Trust me, this will save you tons of time and keep you from reaching for those unhealthy takeout options. Next, incorporate micro workouts. Break exercise into short 5-10 minute sessions throughout the day. Use your breaks for quick stretches, bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups, or even a brisk walk. For example, doing 10 squats every hour really adds up. It's easier than you think to stay active, even in a busy day. Third, stay hydrated with a system. Carry a water bottle with time markers to remind you to drink throughout the day. You can also set alarms on your phone to take sips regularly. Bonus tip: add lemon or cucumber slices for flavor and extra health benefits. Staying hydrated helps keep your energy levels up and your mind sharp. Now let's talk about sleep hygiene. Create a wind-down routine that helps you fall asleep faster and stay energized. Set a consistent bedtime, avoid screens an hour before bed, and try relaxing teas like chamomile. Quick tip: invest in blackout curtains or a white noise machine to improve sleep quality. Prioritizing good sleep is key to staying productive and healthy. Last but not least, snack smart. Stock your desk, car, or bag with healthy snacks like nuts, trail mix, or protein bars. This prevents you from resorting to unhealthy vending machine options when hunger strikes. Pro tip: choose snacks high in protein and fiber to keep you full longer. It's all about making smart choices that support your busy lifestyle. And there you have it. 5 easy hacks to stay healthy on a busy schedule. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Stay healthy and keep crushing it out there. Thanks for watching.